Hey, it's Coach Louise. So welcome to boot camp. Welcome to the group. I'm just going to do a short video to show you how to access your goodies, your workouts, your meal guides, the Fix Day cooking show. So you'll go to beachbodyondemand.com and you'll log in with the username and the password that you created when you got your challenge pack. And you're going to come here and it'll pop up with the workouts. This does keep track of when you come into Beachbody On Demand and you've done a workout. It's going to check mark it off for you, kind of keep some stats here, so that's pretty cool. And it does link up to the My Challenge Tracker app if you are using that. But you're in the Facebook page for a reason. So, but it's the Challenge Tracker app that you can do. It just has you log in your workout, log in your shake, and it's kind of a great way to see some statistics too, but you also have that here. So I'm just going to show you how to access the workouts and the program material. Every program, no matter which one you're doing, is going to be set up like this. You're going to have your workout list, so you're going to click in there and you'll see all the workouts. They are usually numbered and they're in order for a reason. They're scientifically formatted and designed and structured and calendared to work your body effectively and give, upper body, lower body, give it some rest. You have rest days, you have cardio, you have core, you have stretch. So everything's in order for a reason. So I really want you to stick to the calendar as it's designed. So then you want to come into program materials. There's a get started area here. There's always like a start here guide. I encourage everybody to go in and look at all the information, all the resources that you have available to you. And then whatever program you're doing, here is your calendar. I want you to go in and print that out because you will X off the days as you go, which is nice. The nutrition tab will have the food list. And so specifically, I'm showing you 21 Day Fix because it is the original portion fix. It's for helping you to eat a balanced macro meal plan on the daily, and it also has with the right portions. So that's where a lot of people get into problem. They're not fueling their body right. They're not eating the right balances of their macronutrients, their proteins, carbs, and healthy fats, and they're eating too much usually. Even if you're eating healthy, which was my case in the beginning, I was eating relatively healthy, but I was not eating in correct portion. And I also wasn't really nourishing my body. So, because I was eating a lot of these health foods that had a lot of non-food stuff in it. So I wasn't really actually getting the nutrients I needed, especially when you're on a calorie deficit. So you want to print out the food list, look at the eating plan. There's a 3-day quick fix here that you can do, like if you have an event coming up and it's really a carb depletion. So you will have carbs in the morning and none for the rest of the day. And so that is not something that is a sustainable lifestyle. It's really a quick fix. So then you can come in here and look at some other things, questions, frequently asked questions. There's a playlist in a lot of the programs. And then if you go into nutrition, this is where you will find lots of recipes. And if it pops it up, am I signed in? I think I am, yeah. So if you have the ultimate portion fix or the 2B mindset, you're gonna come in here and this is where all your videos are gonna be. And again, they are also in order. So start with, module 1, video 1, right? Get your foundation. Resources here are the workbooks and the logbooks that you received in your pack. There's different languages. And so same with the 2B mindset if you have that. And then also down here, you're going to see there's a podcast for Shakeology. Shakeology is our micronutrients. It does have a good ratio of protein to carbs. So if you're using it as a snack, it's really good, but it also has all the micronutrients. So micronutrients are things like vitamins and minerals, the essential things that we need, adaptogens, probiotics, prebiotics, digestive enzymes, so all these phytonutrients. So it is important, especially if you're trying to lose weight. when there's a thing called the diet cycle. And if you're not providing your body with the micro and the macronutrients in good balance, then you're going to start really having some cravings. This is where people like go week 1, week 2, maybe good, and then they start to fall off because they're not, when you're on a calorie deficit, a lot of people are just actually removing a lot of nutrients and not giving them their body what it needs. You get that with Shakeology. And if you eat it for a snack, it's like 190 calories. We're not focused in on calories so much as having enough nutrients, enough macro and micronutrients in a day. So that's why the portion fix is lined out with, how many veggie servings, how many fruit servings, how many, protein and carb servings. So that's what you want to know, is how many servings of each of these do I get, which you're going to learn in as we go along here. Okay, and then the Fixate Cooking Show is a great resource for building your meal plan and finding new recipes. And then here's another place that I love, love, love to come into. It is the blog. So I will come here every Sunday or, on the weekend when I'm building my meal plan. I will hit the search button and search for different things like, vegan breakfast, vegan dinners. I'm currently doing plant-based. So you might want a chicken dinner, so you can put that in, or, breakfast recipes. And then you also have lots of other, come in and play around and look around. So much information in here. Fitness motivation. Let's talk about what matters, weight loss, diet tips, weight loss tips, nutrition. There's meal plans in here already that, will link you up to the power of plants, like so much information in here. And you can just scroll down to, and you'll see a lot of the highlights. There's this Beachbody Life where there's people, I think I showed it on the main page, where people are actually sharing their journey along the way as well. So that is how you access your tools, your resources. And so I don't want you to be the person who is trying to drive a nail into the wood without using your hammer, right? That is not effective. It's not efficient. It could be dangerous. You have the tools. So you got into this group, you got the information, you got the pack, you got the tools. If you have a goal, which is the nail that you're driving into the wood, use your hammer. Use the tools that you have here. You have all the fitness tools, you have all the nutrition tools, you have the group as the accountability, you have the calendar, everything is structured and set out. And so you just have to use them. If you're having any issues with accessing some of the information or trying to decipher it, then definitely send me a message, reach out to me so that we can work through it together. All right, so that is where you find all your goodies. Bye.